PAX Gold may see a slight drop of 1.8% tomorrow, per 30 rates. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. Right now, PAX Gold has moved up by 0.7% in the past 24 hours and is holding around $4,192.50. Let's break down today's forecast range. 30 rates thinks the asset may decline toward $4,117 tomorrow, with a potential drop of 1.8%. Gov Capital Collector indicates PAX Gold might dip to $4,143.91, representing a loss of 1.2%. According to Traders Union, it might be heading lower toward $4,182.64, a decline estimated at 0.2%. Another prediction from CoinCodex suggests PAX Gold may rise to $4,205.71, roughly 0.3% up. And to end, crypto predictions points toward $4,421.15 by June 23, 5.5% higher. This forecast leads in potential profitability. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. After combining all the analyst predictions, here's the full picture. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a drop of 1.8% and an increase of 5.5%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out, Crypto Predictions offers the highest projected return with 5.5% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could pocket between $2 and $55 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Traders Union's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 72.2% chance of success. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. With all forecasts combined, the consensus keeps PAX Gold at roughly $4,214.08. Let's go a little deeper. According to the consensus forecast, the price is expected to rise by about 0.5%. Following that trend, your capital might also climb by about 0.5%. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $5. And the probability of the consensus forecast for PAX Gold being realized is around 69.1%. Here's the part where we explore the expected price trajectory for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. 30 rates expects PAX Gold to decline steadily. Gov Capital Collector points to a sideways outlook where PAX Gold drifts without meaningful progress. Traders Union points to further weakness. CoinCodex sees little change in the short-term outlook. Crypto Predictions highlights that PAX Gold is on an upward path. The consensus result indicates PAX Gold will trade sideways, with little to distinguish a clear upward or downward trend. Summing up, 60% of analyst views suggest PAX Gold may drop during this horizon. 5 forecasts came in 2 days ago for the next day. That day is done, and now we can compare. At the end of the day, the price settled at $4,137. 3 out of 5 were correct about the direction. Looking strictly at accuracy, Gov Capital Collector turned out most accurate. Let's see the breakdown. Out of 5, a lone forecast fit the candle span. For AOI, part of the group finished in profit, with the strongest outcome at 0.5%. Now on screen is the overview table. All results at a glance. CoinDataFlow registered $47.42 accuracy and 0.5% ROI, with a forecast probability of 55.3%. See which forecasts match the market movement most precisely. And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. NEAR leads the outlook with 4% and PAX Gold trails below. This comparison features PAX Gold with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. If I managed to save you some time today, a quick like would be the best feedback. Bye everyone!